name is William. This and today we're gonna bang things together and then say if it's a low pitch or high pitch. Let's bang the banana first onto the floor. It's low pitch. Next, high pitch. But one part of it is low pitch. Yes. This one is anti-banana, so it's higher. It's a high pitch. It's because it's different medium. This one is air and the medium. This one is high. This one's high. Alright. What about a cookie? Definitely low pitch. Alright, low pitch. Oh, high pitch. Now, a wood block. What about a little block? Alright. High pitch. Then low pitch. Okay. Low pitch. High pitch. Yeah. Why don't we bang the glass? Use the pencil to bang with the glass. High pitch. Don't make it so high pitch. One back pencil onto the floor. High pitch, but it's lower pitch than the glass. High pitch. No, low pitch. High pitch. We already know this one. What about high pitch? Mama. High pitch. Yeah. And it exactly. Let's close it and now final round. No, we never had to try on this one. Oh, high pitch. So when hit, just the bar. Alright, let's test on this one. Okay, it's even higher. Now let's do it with down. Is it the same? Even higher. Yeah. Definitely high. Okay. What about wooden block? No, with wooden block. High. Kind of high. What about the watermelon? Ooh, still low pitch. It's so low, I think. It's lower pitch, but it's still high. These blocks inside. Wait. Still low, Alex. Still low. This one is high. I'm banging the bottom with the with this, and it makes a high pitch. So what is low pitch? Low pitch, it means the waves are less frequent. The sound waves, they are less frequent. Yes, it's so then it kind of sounds like that. Okay, it sounds like a bass drum for low pitch. And men, when they talk, their voice sounds low pitch. But for women, it's higher pitch and it's high pitch. For high pitch, then the waves are closer together, so they are more frequent. It's like in a bird's chirp. Like in a bird's chirp, it's more frequent. But for wolves, it's low pitched. Yes, it's they make it low pitched is because they need it to travel farther. They need it to travel farther. Also, whales use low pitch, but for dolphins they use high pitch. Chirps, they use chirps and they use whistles.